welcome back to another video. Today, oh my god, it's not letting me delete my Christmas tree. Oh no. Today, I'm gonna do buying whatever my buying. I'm gonna buy whatever my parrot touches in Adopt Me. And I'm gonna be seeing like what it touches with like a frisbee. So let's just teleport to the gifts here and let's see what it says. Let's go camping. Okay, let's go camping, and then I'll throw the frisbee and then we'll see what it lands on. Okay, so let's just get out my crown frisbee. Okay, you need some sleep now. And we're gonna go to the best shop ever. I'm not saying that it is the best shop ever. Best shop Eve. Okay, yep, so now we're just gonna get inside. Ugh, excuse me now. Ooh, look what you made me do. I'm saying, ooh, look what you made me do, because she literally just like, crashed into me and now she fell off. Okay, so, right, nope. Oh, this is my friend. I'm sorry for the line in the trade declining. Right. Can you? Excuse me. I'm doing a vid. I'm doing a vid, excuse me. I'm doing a vid. Right, I'll go from here. I hope it lands on this, like the marshmallows. Right, so please, can you just shuffle over a bit? Right, so now throw. Where did it go? I didn't see where that went. A sec. Can you please? I don't want to go in the private server. Right, ready? No, I'm not trading. Right, throw. Let's see where it landed on. I'm not sure. It went like by here. It's closest to the smalls. Wait, if it went by here, if it like went by there, I think we have to buy the smalls and the sparkler. Oh no, ready? Sparklers are a lot of money. Whoa, it's very cool. Sorry about the background. Darcy's just, her when I record. It's not like I can get her out. Darcy, I'm recording a YouTube video, remember? Okay, right. Yeah, so it's just guys, like I tried to put her in the living room, but like she just goes out when she needs the toilet. Right, now let's go to our next place, which would be, the supermarket, yay. Everything costs cheap in there. Excuse me, are you trying to show off with that hoverboard? No, I'm not asking you, Darcy. Oh yeah, look at this then. Ha ha ha. I know I sound psycho, that's what I am, guys. Oh no, guys, I accidentally scared Darcy. He keeps saying trade to me. Right, so... Excuse me, I do not. Darcy, I do not. Guys, she woke up too late. Oh my god, no, help. No, help. Stop it. I want help. Wait, no. Oh my god. I'll have to close the door. No! I do feel a bit bad, but like when I'm recording a YouTube video, you never like, if you're like recording like a YouTube video, like maybe like Ashley the Unicorn say that, or like FGTV. You never see like people just run into the background and talk. And she's even wearing, is that Morgan? Oh, no. I miss the Adopt Me update so much. Let's just go in here. Right. Oh no, I'm scared. I don't want to go in this place. Wait, did I just miss? I missed the fashion shop out. Oh no, that means that I'll have to, like it will land on something and then wait, why have I got my blizzard out? I want my parrot out. I had to get my blizzard out to fly. Somebody's just gonna walk past that and just think, oh, there's a crown on the floor. Okay, so guys, ooh, this looks good. Crap queen. Oh, I hope it doesn't land on, like, when I throw it in. Oh no, it might land on one of the girl faces. What? Did it just land on that blue wing? At least I have them unlocked. No! I have to wear the blue wings. Let's try again, because we did one for wings. Wait, can you just... No, I have to wear... Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god. I have to wear this face. Where is it? Oh my god, no. No. Oh. Why did I do this video? One sec. Right, let's see which one it goes on. Okay. What one did it go on? That black one. What's the black one? Are you sure there's a black one? Adopt me? Okay, right. Right, we'll stand by here and throw it. It's just... Darcy, please! I'm recording a YouTube video. Excuse me, don't call me broken. What's this? Oh no, I'm not sure what to do. Let's do eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Eeny, no. Ugh. Eeny, meeny, eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger by its toe. If it squeals, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. I think I should choose you. Oh no, we're going for the bubbles, guys. £200 for the bubbles, probably. I don't know how to say it. Oh my god. There. I've just... And you can't even see it. You can't even see it that much. Darcy's just walking around the house in her high heels. Plastic high heels. Okay. So now the next shop would be... Oh no, this shop. What's happening? Wait, it's glitching a bit. It was glitching. Stop, right? Here we go, right. Right, we'll come from here. I'm not buying Brad for you. And I'm not buying a water fountain because I'm not sure if you can buy the water fountain. Right, ready, throw. Where's it going? It was like going to like that. Wait. No, I'm not buying another thing that costs like 300. Oh no, why do I have to? I'll just try again. Maybe I should try this way and get good luck. Ugh, it just keeps going into the fountain. I think we'll just have to just like leave it like that. Okay, so I'm quite sad that I've wasted lots of money on a video. And now we're going into the shop. Right, so now we're going to have to throw the crown. Where did it go? Wait, am I facing that way? Yeah. Okay, right. Oh no, it landed on hot dogs. Guys, I'm kind of like vegan because like the only meat I eat is chicken, but oh no, I have to eat hot dogs. I don't like sausage or any of that stuff. Oh no. Oh my god. Wait, no, I'm doing this for my parrot. Whatever I buy, like, one sec, wait. I need to buy this for my parrot. Feed. There. I bought it for my parrot now. Yay, my parrot aged up. Oh no, he's sick. We'll have to take you to the hospital. And he needs some sleep, and he needs a shower, and he needs a drink. Wow. So let's just feed him some of my things. No? Lollipop maybe? Actually, no, wait. Whoa. One sec. Wait, I got a good idea. Maybe I could do. Oh no, I'm walking past people like this. I'm gonna have to quickly get into this. This is so embarrassing. Ooh, what's this? Wait, has somebody flipped over a hoverboard? Oh my god, has someone flipped over a hoverboard? So it looks like that. But now, right now we're gonna like throw a frisbee to see what building he goes nearer to. Ready? Right, throw. Oh, it's going for the coffee shop. Now next shop is coffee shop. It can't land on B, please don't be B. If it's B, then I'm gonna be like so sad because I haven't got any Robux left. Gucci Gamer. It went like by here. So eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch a tiger. No. A tiger by its toe. If it squeals, let it go. Eeny, meeny. Ah! Right, oh my god. I'm just gonna take off the tags, I think. Wait. I need it. I need it back. How do we get? No, stop. There. Show. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger by its toe. If it squeals, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. I think I should pick you. Oh my god, thank god, we're going for the tea. Yes. I mean, I could have got Queen Bee. Queen Bee looks like she's made out of sky, to be honest. Right, so now we're going to feed you some tea. Oh my god, that's a bit of a weird way how the parrot eats this tea. I call the parrot copycat. Oh, that's kind of cute, like I carry him like that. Okay, so oh wait, we have to go for the penguin shop now. I think it's a penguin shop. No, wait, what am I talking about? So the ice cream shop. Ready, right. Ready? Oh, we're going for ice cream. Okay. Right. So we're going to get some chocolate. we're gonna get some of this. Yeah, this is good. Let's feed my parrot it. Eek. 1 in 10 chance of getting a golden penguin. I was so lucky. Maybe not the car shop because I don't really want to waste all my money. But we're going to do the pizza shop and the toy shop. What was that noise? Guys? I just heard the noise like... Hello? Oh, Jesus Christ. There, okay, we're going for the pizza. It went like as near as the pizza. Ooh, it looks good. I wish my pizzas were like that. When I have pizza sometimes, they come out the oven like literally like a round black ball. I know, it's creepy. Something is wrong with my oven. Wait, he's Junior? Newborn Junior? What about kid stage? Excuse me, I'm kid. You're 50, yes. You can have a small. Oh, please don't do that. It creeps me out like how it just goes. I know I'm being dramatic, but remember what I said about the car shop? I just don't want to waste too much money. Oh no, it's going to go for the, what's it called thing. Oh, why did it just kick me out? Okay, right. Right. Wait, what position are we going to get in? We're going to have to get... Wait, no guys, we have to get in this position. I think, which one did it go for? I think it went for like in the middle. Like right here. Okay, right. What should we go for? Are these just fake things? Oh no, they are. Right. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by its toe. If it squeals, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I think I should get you. Yay, we're getting the heart balloon. I'm not sure why I wasted £100 on a heart balloon. If it's this, then I'm literally gonna cry. Please. Oh, it went for the teddy bear, which is good. Yay! I'm gonna feed my teddy. I'm gonna feed my parrot a teddy bear. Wait, let's see what one I want. Right. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger. Let's just go with the teddy bear. I look like a fool. Oh wait, I think that's all the stores done. Wait, no, we've still got quite a bit left. We've only got one left. Which is the... Wait, no, we've got 2 left. Yeah, good. I'm happy when this video ends. I just want it to end. Please don't be expensive. Why? Let's see what it goes for. What? No. Everything in here costs too much money, sorry. I just can't. like I saved this money for something else, so I don't really want to waste all of it. Goldie. I think that might be the name of my penguin. Yeah, that's the name of my penguin. Oh my god. Maybe the baby shop. This baby shop will help me out. Okay, right. Wait. If it goes for this, the baby bottle, then I'll be so happy. I'll just be like, yes! It went for the blue. Yes! But we'll have to put it blue because it went for the blue color. Ooh, yeah, this is good. I actually quite like it. Yeah, so I think that's the end of the video now because like I've done everything. Wait, have I still got a unicorn rattle? Because I wish I have. Yay, I've still got a unicorn rattle. Yeah, so guys, remember to subscribe. Ew, what is that that's coming out of it? Ew. Remember to subscribe if you haven't. On our way to 50 subscribers. And like this video. Comment your Roblox username for on Monday would be the winner of the giveaway. So and remember when you add your Roblox username, I'll add you as a friend, and then everything will be okay, and I could like see who's the winner, because I just like pick a winner. Yeah, but I think this is the end of the video. So, love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video, which we'll be in today, from seeing me buying a new ice cream truck. That is 350 Robux, I think. Yes. Bye!